Hello, today we're going to look at the Kicada microphone. So let's take a look, dive right in. Alright guys, this is a mic for your phone or your DSLR. So let's see what Kicada has. Here we go. Let's put this box over there and take a look. Let's have a closer look at the box here. What do we got? So Kicada microphone for your DSLR or for your phone. So I'm excited, guys. Happy to be sharing this with you at this moment. We're going to take a look and see right off the bat. We have this called a dead cat. It's for the wind. So if you're in a windy situation and you want to block off the wind, you will use this called a dead cat to block off the wind, which comes very useful. And stick around, we're gonna see how it all connects. But let's open it up right now. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Let's see what's inside the box, guys. So here we go. Let's open. All right, here we go. Here we go. It's a nice little pouch. And kind of put the box to the side here. Let's open it up. Check this out. Take a look. What do we have here? Oh, here's the clip. So we got a clip for it right there, which I'll demonstrate for you in just a few seconds. Here are the cords that you're going to need. So one is, it tells you right there, look, camcorder. So, or your camera, I should say. It's a camera. And it's even got the little camera icon, so you know that this is for your camera. Very nice touch. I like that. All right, let's take a look. And this one here, so this will be for your smartphone. It says right there, smartphone, and it kind of gives you the little icon for the phone. So that's a very nice touch. I really like this, guys. Awesome packaging here. You know, this is a very nice pouch. But let's look at the inside. What else we got? Oh, look, take a look here. We got handy instructions. It kind of tells you how it works. Oh, it's a warranty. Okay, it's a warranty. So awesome. This is model MC10, by the way. And let's look now. Let's take a good look. Here comes the mic. Oh, look. It's inside this nice container, plastic. Let me give you my first impressions. Wow. All right. Let's have a close look and see what it, get a nice view for you. Look at this. Wow. Okay, guys. So right off the bat, it feels really light. It's not super heavy, so it feels light. Metal. It's a metal construction. I can tell you right now, I can feel it. Metal construction, very light. And right here you can connect your headphones. Right here, this is your mic connection. In a few seconds I'll show you how that mounts to your camera or your phone. Let's have a very close look. Let's bring it up nice and close and have a look. Look at this. Wow, guys, very nice. Very nice. I really like this. The construction of it. This is my initial thoughts on it. Just from taking it out of the box, I'm gonna try it out and see how well the sound is. But so far, just by looking at it, I really like the way this looks. Feels very sturdy. Like if you were to drop it, it'll stand a drop. It's all metal. There's nothing plasticky about it. It's all metal. I really like that. All right. So how do we connect it? So let's go into, let's see. So if we were going to do the camera, so we grab the camera cable, and this will go right in here, right? I'm going to bring my Canon to demonstrate it. I'm going to demonstrate how it connects to the camera. So let's, there we go. Get it nice in view. And here's the camera. And then I'll demonstrate the cat. So here's the clip. So let's look at the clip. Now it goes in here. So this will clip right in there like that. Okay. All right. Very nice. Let's put it in. And then if we were going to connect it to the camera, find where your mic connection is. And there's your mic connection. So find where that's at and then put it right in there, right where the mic connects, right there. All right, so there you go. That's exactly how you would do it. You would just mount the mic just like that. Okay, now let's demonstrate it how you would do it on the phone. So if you were going to do it on the phone, And it's a very nice touch to have this clip. I think that's a very nice touch. I think it's awesome. All right, so if you were going to connect it to your phone, you have the separate cable. So let's go look at the separate cable. So now you want the one that says for smartphone, which is in red, right? So the red will probably go to the phone. So let's, once again, let's connect it here. And then let's grab your phone. And then on your phone, you're going to find where your mic connection is for your phone. And it goes right in there, just like that. And there it is. That's how it connects. So there you go, guys. There's the mic right there. Just a quick review. Let's demonstrate it, how it looks with the dead cat on it. So if you were going to vlog, let's demonstrate how that looks. So let's put it right in there. Okay, let's fit it right in there. Let's connect it. Let's see. So if you were going to be outside, which I highly recommend if you're vlogging outside, that's exactly what it will look like. So there it is, guys. It's connected to your phone. There it is. There it is, guys. Kicada. Short review. Looks sturdy. Amazing. Looking forward to recording with it. Hope you find this useful. Got any more questions? Let me know. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Audio recording for Canon T3i. Testing 1, 2, 3. No external mic. This is right from the camera. Canon T3i testing 1, 2, 3. This is an audio recording for Kicada mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. We're about 3 feet distance. 1, 2, 3. Kicada mic audio. 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test for the Samsung phone with the internal mic. No Kicada mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. This is an audio recording with the Kicada mic connected to the phone using Open Camera app. Testing 1, 2, 3. Kicada audio mic. 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test for Kicada microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now this is a mini shotgun microphone for your cell phone, or you can use it for your DSLR. Now, even though I got headphones on, in real time I can't hear my voice, but I can hear it on the playback. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Kicada microphone 1, 2, 3.